Shelby, where are you going?
Hello everyone. This is Patrice, the Planeria.
Mrs. Shelby, why are you so slow?
No,
Mrs. Shelby.
weighing in at approximately 2 milligrams. Patrice is off and running.
Mrs. Shelby.
Go.
One of the fastest Planeria. For those who don't know,
Where are you going, Mom?
Planeria is a non-parasitic flatworm,
Shelby.
just like Patrice here.
Why are you?
And boy, is she quick.
Why did you change your accent?
I didn't read to him. When I get back, like when I tried
Trying to get Patrice to
I randomly turned British.
veer right here.
You make things difficult. You
She's
know
been training the past couple
I turned
days.
British. I turned British.
She got a nice
Well,
long
then don't
break
get mad. Don't
for
insult
Veterans
it.
Day.
Make commentary. Don't talk to it. Talk about it.
Fine.
Seems she's forgotten.
Talking about things. It's not funny.
She can be pretty stubborn sometimes. There she goes. At the end of the day, she's a good worm.
Oh god. We are not.
Try to stay in your seats, folks.
The Lannisters.
You know it's exciting.
We are not the Lannisters.
Ready, set, go.
Just another day on the job.
Straightforward. Shelby, where do you decide?
Almost there, coming in at a time
Are you going to go
of 1 minute 55 seconds. Broke that 2-minute record. That deserves a round in the victory pool.
Stop it. Go to the right. Go left. Thank you, Shelby. Now,
All scrunched up and ready to relax in the victory pool. Tune in next time to see Patrice do the same exact thing.